Sunil from Clean here. So we are working on a double story here today, and as you can see here, the gutter line and the eaves and the fascia are pretty bad. So I am going to wash them. I've chosen to wash them. This is we always do a soft wash when we're washing around these kinds of areas because of the delicate nature of the paint, etc. But Colorbond is amazing. But nonetheless, you won't get results as good as what I'll show you now if you use cold water. So the only reason we're able to get these kinds of results is because of our ability to use hot water at pressure. Let me show you. Hi everyone, Sunil here from Clean. If you look at the cladding on this house, it's a kind of composite board. I think it's plastic. You see all the mold that's beautifully growing there. This is hot water again at pressure. And watch this. You won't get these results with cold water. No way. It's a very gentle pressure. You can see that mold is just disappearing. Very gentle, just going back and forth. Beautiful. Alright, we'll show you the end results at the end, but fantastic results so far. We're absolutely wrapped. If you look at the neighbours here, you can see they're preparing it for sale, so it'll be in a good place. So I hope you can see the neighbours' gutters, so you can see what that was like. And if you look at these gutters, I've cleaned up and all under the eaves. Also washed down the cladding here, and that's all that kind of organic mould has come off. So we're just finishing off with an external window clean on this property, and we're done. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.